The steel holds. The weapon passes.
The bipod allows accurate fire from the ground.
The trigger group is pinned on for easy cleaning.
The robust sear holds back the heavy bolt until fired.
The M240 machine gun starts here. It begins as solid blocks of ordnance steel.
The receiver isn't stamped sheet metal. It's built from heavy, solid plates. The receiver isn't stamped sheet metal. It's built from heavy, solid plates.
Plasma cutters shape the side plates. This weapon is built for durability.
Plasma cutters shape the side plates. This weapon is built for durability. CNC mills reduce the weight and cut precise internal rails. Tolerances must be perfect. The bolt travels here at high speeds.
The plate is finished, thick, rigid, and ready for war.
Every sharp edge is smoothed by hand.
We don't weld the receiver. We join the plates with massive steel rivets. Riveting creates a joint that flexes under shock without cracking.
The receiver box is a fortress of steel. Now it needs a barrel.
The barrel is cold hammer forged. Hammers beat the steel for strength.
The barrel stays thick to absorb heat during rapid fire. The barrel stays thick to absorb heat during rapid fire. The barrel stays thick to absorb heat during rapid fire.
The inside is lined with hard chrome to resist heat and wear.
A perfect chrome lining prevents corrosion in the jungle.
The gas block captures gas to cycle the weapon.
This handle is for swapping hot barrels in seconds.
The firing pin is fixed. Simple and reliable. The long stroke piston gives a smooth, reliable push.
The robust sear holds back the heavy bolt until fired.
A tough polymer grip is added. Steel parts are baked to harden them against wear.
Quenching in oil locks in the hardness.
This black coating holds oil and prevents rust. Final assembly begins.
The trigger group is pinned on for easy cleaning.
The feed mechanism is clockwork. It pulls the heavy ammo belt.
The cover snaps shut with authority.
The heart of the gun slides home.
A powerful spring returns the heavy bolt. The stock is solid enough to survive a drop.
The barrel locks directly into the steel receiver.
The bipod allows accurate fire from the ground.
It takes effort to charge this heavy weapon.
Now they must be proven in the test tunnel. Every gun is live fire tested.
We lock it down to test the function.
7.62 millimeter NATO. A powerful round.
650 rounds per minute. A steady rhythm.
The feed mechanism pulls the belt perfectly.
The weapon is hot and dirty, as it should be.
We check dimensions while the gun is hot.
Proof round tests the strength of the steel.
The steel holds. The weapon passes.
Magnetic inspection finds invisible cracks.
We scrub away the carbon fouling.
Oil protects the raw steel during shipping.
Every receiver gets a unique identity. One last check. No room for error.
Sealed against moisture and salt air.
It rests securely for transport.
Every gun ships with a spare barrel.
Pallets ready for logistics.
Loading up for the depots.
The shipment is sealed. The machines fall silent for now. Waste steel is recycled. A proven design, followed precisely.
Small parts, massive importance.
Respected by those who build it.
A forge of modern support.
Simple, heavy, unbreakable.
The shift is over.
The M240. Heavy metal firepower.